In the beginning, God created the world and the 16 deities who were charged with the responsibility of creating other things that were left undone. Osun's relegation by other dominating male deities spelled doom. Osun the Goddess, an epical movie of the century. The important position of Osun among the deities is highlighted in this superlative movie. What exactly does Osun stand for? A solicitor, an avenger. Osun stands against rape, abuse, and violence on women. She also stands for the empowerment of women and general upliftment of mankind. Osun the Goddess. Osun is furious, determined to bring sanity, justice, and peace to the land ravaged by grievances, spirit vengeance, and man inhumanity to man. Osun is peace. Osun is justice and equity. Osun the healer and provider of children for the barren. When things were no longer at ease and the land of Ajiromi was thrown into confusion and crisis, when catastrophe pervaded the land, Ajiromi in jeopardy, people in dilemma, Osun put up a spirited battle to bring the land back to peace. Osun the Goddess, an optical vision. Osun the Goddess, historical powerful storyline, well crafted, clear picture, good technical, well directed. Osun the Goddess, a multi-million naira project shot in various locations in Osogbo, Abata-Egba, Modakeke, and Ile-Ife. The movie parades notable Nollywood stars like the legendary Yemi Elebuibon, Fathia Balogun, Murphy Afolabi, Florence Trotman, popularly known as Floxy B, Femi Branch, Yetunde Ogushola, Peter Fatomilola, Salome Eketunde, Toyosi Adesanya, Abeni Agbon, Folake Aremu Orishabumi, Ade Eketunde, Femi Araba, and a host of others. Produced and music scored by Florence Trotman, Floxy B, the queen of Haikoso music, and shot on Ade Eketunde's direction, aka Femi Bright. Osun the Goddess, a must watch for every home. Osun the Goddess.